guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll be unboxing the thick wall crust Leon. Let's get the party started. So basically I take a pen, so we're basically improvising, then you just shove it to the box. Yeah. As you can see, now we open it up. And we get this. Damn. Now we open it. We get the launcher. Damn. Oh. We get the launcher. As you can see this. We get the string. Oh my god. We get closely on. So first we'll go through this thing. Oh my god. Just look at how large this is. Just look at how large this is. And we're going to reveal the future battle. It's Crust Leon versus Sour Phoenix. Yes. Zuganic versus Yugoslavia. Nah, just kidding. I'll just forget the name. We'll just turn it. Whoa, it's already so thick. Oh my god. Whoa. The tip is thick. Oh, everything's thick. Oh my god. This is a coated away. And this is coated. And the way it works is pretty different.
肉獣の王と史上最強の肉食恐竜の激突だ。ついに百獣の王と史上最強の肉食恐竜の激突だ。
サードバトルレディーセット
3、2、1、ティラノビート、やはり予測不能の動き。縦横無尽に飛び回る。対するレオンクレストはスタジアム中央に陣取った。
回ってやるぜ。
先に牙を向いたのはティラノビートだ。
オラオラオラオラ。
バッレオンクレスト、ティラノビートの攻撃をものともせずに受け続ける。
オラオラオラ。俺の餌食になりやがれ。
この程度か。88回の実力というのは。
ああ、
所詮は通り一遍な攻撃ばかり。それでは王のたてがみを貫くことなどかなわぬぞ。
そう来なくっちゃ食らいがいがねえってもんだぜ。
おっとティラノビートの行く先には